Hello friends, it is now time for the installation of Softaculous. So Softaculous is nothing but a tool or add-on of cPanel. So by this application you can able to install almost 500 plus CMS or control panel or softwares that are built in PHP on single click. So for that example, when we use a shared hosting, in that whenever we are installing a WordPress, so that time that WordPress we install by clicking some things and enters. So that time we are just entering some information and click on next and then done our installation. That can be possible with the help of Softaculous. Okay, so to install a Softaculous, we need to first go to their official web. Okay, so here is the installation steps. Okay, so let me do the installation. Very first, we need to enable the IP addresses given by their official team. Just scroll down to the firewall section. I will enter into the firewall. Here I will go to the CSF and here click on firewall allows IPs. Why we need to enable or unblock the IP address or whitelist the IP address? Because each and every day Softaculous launches a new update. That updates need to delivered on your server, because whenever clients install, he need a latest version of WordPress, Drupal, e-commerce applications and all. So that can be possible. So we need to enable or unblock the IP address or whitelist the IP address of Softaculous. Here is a list of IP address provided by Softaculous. Let me click on change. So this way we are whitelisted Softaculous IP address. So after doing that, now it is time for the installation of Softaculous. Okay, please make sure that you cannot able to directly install a Softaculous. Why? In tweak setting, we need to enable Ion Cube Loader, and without that it is not possible. Okay, let me go to the terminal and I will enter the command. Make sure that tweak setting is already completed in our series. So first watch that and then perform this. Let me paste here. Here we have downloaded the installer. Then we set the permission and now it is time for installation. It will take some time. You can see installation has been started. Here our Softaculous installation has been completed. Let me go to the Softaculous pricing section. Here you can able to see that if you are having a dedicated server, that time Softaculous will cost you $24 per year. If you have VPS, then it will cost you $12. But if you are purchasing a dedicated server or VPS with cPanel from dedicated core or domain tracer, so that time we will offer you Softaculous free of cost. So you will save $24 per year on your server. So we just wanted to help you, and our goal is to provide you a best possible pricing and best possible server, so you can able to get highest performance and you can able to focus on your business. Let's go back. Okay, our installation has been completed. Let me refresh the page. After refresh, if I will go to the bottom of the page, you can able to find here Softaculous installation has been completed. One more thing, we already have activated license, so it will showing us premium, right? So but here we need to do certain settings. Why? Because here it is showing 38 out of 453 is unable. Means we need to enable all these, because in that 38 WordPress is not there. For that I will just go to the software and click on general settings, and I will just blindly click on this and update. That's it. No need to do anything, and do not it's not required to wait to complete this. Click on home, and here you can able to see that all the scripts are activated. Now one more thing, in the settings section, go to the general, and here you can do a customizations. Okay, if you wanted to change the Softaculous name, you can able to do from here. You can label yourself, which like in this case I will enter dedicated core, so that you can able to do that. And one more thing, backup settings. Okay, so here you can able to configure if your user want a backup, automated backups and all, you can able to configure here. So, and that things is totally depend on your business. Email notifications, sometimes if user uninstall, install, remove, clone, so that time each and every time he will get the mail. If you wanted to disable this, you can able to disable this. So this is all about the Softaculous. Please make sure that you personally read all these settings, because it's not required to set up, but if you set up, then you can able to add some values to business. Suppose in this case, let me give you a simple example. Here backups, here it is written like auto backup rotation limit is unlimited. So why unlimited? I will put 3. So that way, if someone is using your server and automatically backups are running every day, means if it is a 5 GB of backup every day, means 30 days, means 150 GB he will use, because here we entered here unlimited. But if you enter 3 or 2, that means only 2 backups we will save. Suppose today is a 10, tomorrow is 11. On 13th, 10th backup automatically delete and 13th backup will be overridden on the 10th backup. So we will keep 2. So it is like auto backups. And next one, maximum backups per user. So in this case, it is put unlimited. If you put 3, means in his cPanel, he can only keep 3 backups. So this limitation, if we put, we can also able to monitor, manage properly services. Okay, so this is how the installation of Softaculous work. Now, in the next video, we are going to show you how to install SitePad.